consider as your login ID and the password whatever you will say. And after that you complete your login procedure, go to the login area and you log in there. So after login you will find all possible the subject what you can take or not, that will come later. First of all, I just mentioned what are the subject we are going to offer in the coming 2 semesters, that is your 3rd semester and 4th semester. And this portal will open on 1st of July and it will remain open till 12th of July night, 12 o'clock. After that the portal will be closed, so you will not allow to enter anything. And at the present moment you cannot change anything. That means you cannot resubmit your option. Therefore, whatever option you already or whatever option you think you can try to opt for, please decide before filling your option form. So once you done with this option form, there will be no way to undo or alter anything. Okay? So be careful about this one. So, and this allotted paper will be displayed on notice board as well as in the portals. In your when you log in, you will find what are the subject you have been given. So that thing you get in the portal itself. And on 18th of July, because our class will start from the 22nd of July. So therefore 18th of July we will try to display your subjects. What you have we have already offered to you. Okay. And
if there is a mistake, please write to us immediately. So because it also takes us a few days to correct mistakes. So if you do not let us know, then you lose some valuable time. You have to miss something. Suppose there is a mistake in allotment, so please let us know.
And also while logging, you should specify your roll number, exam roll number, your name and telephone number accurately. Otherwise, you will not be allowed to submit your option form. Therefore, while registering yourself on the portal, you should be careful to write correct exam roll number and your telephone number and your email address. These 3 are the primary indicator or the primary what is called the unique numbers which will be assigned while you are given the particular subjects. Okay. So if somebody missed the roll number or write somebody's roll number, the person whose actual roll number is, he is not able to submit the form. So therefore, very, very careful while submitting or while registering yourself with a correct email address, roll number and telephone number. These 3 things is extremely important. Okay. So now coming to the subject, so what are the subjects we are going to offer you? And this time we have a 2 separate streams. That is exam. One is your experimental stream and other is the theoretical stream. So here the 2 papers are compulsory in your 3rd semester. One is the nuclear and particle physics, this is a core paper, and the computational physics is a lab paper. These 2 are compulsory papers, and after that you will allow to take 3 papers from either from theoretical papers or from the experiment plus theory papers. So experimental option, the 2 papers from the group 3 we have to take, and 1 from group B 3 paper. That's I am coming what is the group A and all of it. And the theory, you have to two papers and one paper from the other two groups. So now coming to the different groups, the group A3, 3 stands for the third semester. So elective courses, those are the experimental modules. So when you choose one experimental paper, that comes with a one theory, one experimental. So that the two papers you will get automatically from here. So number of seats here, the nano scale we have a 32 seats. Then advanced electronics we have a 60 seats. Advanced physics we have a 32. Laser spectroscopy 32. Advanced solid state is a 36 seats. At present available, and those seats are now depends on the instrument available in that particular lab and also the teaching faculties available in that particular lab. So therefore seats are decided on that basic condition. So the experimental setup should be available or not. So therefore number what is mentioned here for the different experimental lab. And the theory paper, the theory stream people should opt minimum 2 theory papers from here, or they can go maximum 3 papers. And this 6 paper will be offered in this third semester. In the coming third semester, you can say GTR and cosmology, 66, then astronomy and astrophysics, condensed matter physics, plasma physics, particle physics, quantum field theory, each having the 66. So you can opt minimum 2 papers from this theory. That means theory stream people should be of minimum 2 papers, but they can also get another. That means 3 papers they can also take from this out of these 6 papers. If they are opting for the 2 papers, then they can opt their third optional paper either from this open elective like a radiation safety and the complex system and network, and we have another 30 papers from the different departments, different science departments. That means the chemistry, then the earth science, then geology, environmental science, home science, botany, ACDR, then geology. Anthropology.
So anthropology, botany, zoology, geology, environmental science, chemistry, ACBR, and home science. Okay. One thing that you need to understand, if you take home science, you have to go out of the campus to do that. Home science department is not here. Home science department is in Lady Irwin College, okay, which is near this place. What called? Monday.
Okay. So that's actually problem for going there. Because you have most of the open elective paper will run on Saturday. The 4 classes will be held on Saturday itself, and Saturday also you have a new open.
Some people will have 4 courses.
4 courses on Saturday. So therefore it will be a bit difficult to go for the home science optional paper. So, but anyhow,
unless you decide that you will skip some of the course papers. You know, some people might have a nuclear physics paper on Saturday. Nuclear part of the paper. Okay.
So therefore, the people are thinking for opting the theory stream. They can go for the theory 6 papers plus dissertation plus open elective from our department and from outside department. So they have to choose optional paper. Okay, they can choose all 3 optional paper from the theory. Out of the 6 theories, they can choose 3. Or they can choose 2 paper, minimum 2 paper, and they can choose one, either dissertation or one open paper from the department or outside department. Okay.
There's one this thing here. One actually, if you want to choose participant physics, then you have to choose quantitative. That's